right, ladies and gents, this is Kino with SweetGemLife, and welcome, welcome, welcome. If you saw the title, you know what this is about. She done stepped her game up. It's here, it's here. Let's do this unboxing. I am so excited. Shout out to Viv over at Notiq. Let's get into this thing. So, y'all will be seeing it with me for the first time. As you can see, I am cutting this box open right now. And I've been stalking the driver all day. All day, I'll tell you. And he took forever. Okay, what's happening here? So I have been watching everyone get their new Notiq. And I keep saying, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it. No, I'm not gonna get it, I'm not gonna get it. And I finally caved, y'all. It happened. Nothing I can do about it. So, y'all see that familiar Notiq paper? I'm gonna pull this off the desk, take it out, and then we're gonna get all the way into this. All right. Let's put that up. Ooh, she's so sophisticated. I'm almost scared to touch this paper. Let's see if I can get this thing up without tearing it up. I've seen people do such creative stuff with this Notiq paper, and it is so inspiring. I will try to see if I can remember who I saw use this paper to resurface her desk at home. It was absolutely beautiful. Ooh, look at it. Girl, look at it. She pretty. She pink, my favorite. And you know what it is. Let me get this invoice because y'all don't need to see that. That ain't your business. So we're going to move this paper, girl. Because I've got an idea for that as well. And put her here. All right, now, let's see. Dear Lady Sakina Monet, thank you so much for choosing to shop with Notiq. I am grateful for your support. I am also excited to have you in the Notiq family. Enjoy the lovely extras. I can't wait to see your videos. Warmly, VJ, who is the founder of Notiq. Thank you. I'm so excited. I can't stop my hands from shaking. I am excited for this, y'all. So, let's get in this. She has to have it. I don't want to undo this bow because I suck at bows. And I'm never going to be able to retie it, but I will find something to do with it. I can assure you of that. Okay, y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Because I'm ready. All right. Excuse the screaming kids in the background. The perks of living in an apartment building. Oh, we've got some more paper. Yes. Yes. More paper, more projects. Let's not tear it up. How about that? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on, baby. Up. Oh, gosh. See, I'm too excited now, so it's not going to cooperate this time. Okay. Too excited, I can't handle it. Ooh. Girl, ooh, she peeking. Woo! Get her out of there. Get her out of there. Yes! Yes, she is here. Yes, darling, she is here. And we're going to get into that in just a second. But let me take the time to just look at this gorgeous thing. Would y'all look at this gorgeous thing? Ooh, she's soft and she pretty. And let me go ahead and get this paper over so y'all can see this. Because you need to see it. That's why you clicked on the video. Look at her. She is gorgeous. And you can feel that it's well made, well constructed. Oh, goodness. And that's strong. Ooh, girl. Yes, honey. Okay, so the pen was in there and it fell out. Okay. Yes, honey. She's so soft and supple. And we got plenty pockets. You come on out of here. All right. Come on out of there. Thank you. Come on off of there. You ain't supposed to be there. Y'all, look at this gorgeous, lovely. I need to find some more synonyms because I just can't. Oh my goodness. This is sophistication. Did y'all hear that? Let me do it again because that's when you know quality. Because quality is not quiet, baby. It's going to speak. You're going to hear it. Pow, girl. Ooh, I don't even want to put it down. I don't want to put it back in this. Oh, this is soft. Oh my goodness. Okay. She's gorgeous. We're going to sit her right here while we go ahead and get this other stuff shown to y'all. So y'all saw the pen. It fell out. This gorgeous executive pen. Oh my goodness. Let's see. We have to do a quick pen test. Let's see if we can find us something quick to write on. So I have some really beautiful sticky notes here. Let's make sure all that stuff is off. Okay, we didn't clean off all of this gook. I cannot get it off either. Okay, I think we got it. Let's try this again. Nope, we ain't got it all, see? There we go. Get off of my pen. You're not supposed to be there. Let's try this one more time. There we go. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh, we gotta get this ink off my finger now so I don't transfer it onto anything. Okay, we had to get that ink off our fingers because if we touch her and ink gets on her, it's gonna be a real problem, sis. So we're gonna take our gorgeous executive pen and put the queen where she belongs, right on the throne. How about that? That's where you belong, fam. Ooh, girl. Oh, just close it. Ooh, I love that sound. I truly do. Let's get our goodies here. Yes, ma'am. Trying really hard not to tear this stuff up because I'm excited and I just want to tear into it like Christmas and I need to stop. So we've got a couple of things here. I see a clip, I see some cards, and I'm here for all of this. Open it up. And it's all my favorite color. We got us a paper clip. Ooh, it's gorgeous. And I know just what to do with it. Okay, this says Notiq. Minimal is the new sophistication, simplicity is the new art, and elegance is the new modern. Absolutely, I'm in full agreement. Let's see if it'll fit in there. I don't think so. So let's put it here, this bottom pocket for now, and we will stick you, come on, there we go, here for right now. Stick her over there. We've got some cards, some quote cards here. It says fearless, hope, and it's got the same print as our new clip does. Joy div, I'm not gonna butcher that. I don't I don't know what it is. I am going to look into it and I'll put the meaning down here. Joy, love. Should say breathe again. I get it. We get it. Here. We're gonna stick y'all there for just a minute. Y'all be seated for just a minute. Ooh. Girl, we got some inserts and we got some tabs and I'm just here for all of this. I am so excited, y'all. She conquered her fears. Y'all know this is the classic Notiq saying. Yes, so we've got some intro stuff. We've got our 2020 calendar at a glance and 2021. Now these pages, this, I can't even tell you what paperweight this is, but you can look at this and see this is great quality. It feels amazing. And it's my favorite color. I'm gonna keep saying it, I'm sorry. So we've got some to-do pages. They are numbered 1 through 25. And here are our dividers. We have goals, and we have a few goal brief sheets. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and rewards. So we're definitely going to be using those. And then we have plans. And y'all, these are this paper is quality as well, and it's got that metallic sheen to it. It's so pretty and so feminine. We have the daily brief plus notes here. We've got my agenda, my meals, top targets, tasks and to-dos, phone calls and follow-ups, opportunities and reminders, and improvements I need to make. These will definitely get used, so I'm gonna have to order some more of these. And on the back side, it has space for notes, and you can date it up here. So obviously it dates on the front, and then you can date it on the back. The next tab is projects. We have project brief. There's a column for the name of the project, the due date, its status, completed, which I assume we put the completion date here. And then we have tasks and reminders, and on the back is just dot grid. These are gonna get used as well. Next, we have finances. Lord, fix it. So we have the to pay page. It has a column for your item description, the due date, the amount due, total down at the bottom, and it also has space up here for dating. And on the back side it says to buy. So it's got item description. Let's get this a little bit neater. We've got the item description. There's a checkbox for want/need, date desired, and amount. I will be using these because I truly believe this will help me stop impulse buying. And I mean, I always plan for it and budget for it, but just because I budgeted for it doesn't mean you need it. Money Monday tip. Just because you budgeted for it does not mean you need it. So then we have the wellness tab, and these are just note pages, front and back, and the front has a space for the date. And then we have a notes tab and more note pages. So I plan to use this as my business planner. You guys that have watched my Plan With Me's, you know, I pretty much plan for schooling and personal stuff in my Erin Condren, and I want to keep my business information separate because obviously that stuff doesn't need to go on YouTube. So, it's a spot. No, it's a shadow. Okay, so I want to use this as my business binder, and I will. And I was concerned about what I thought was a step down from my 7x9 Erin Condren to this A5 sized planner, and it's not. I don't need as much space because, like I said, this will just be for my business. So I am in love. She is lovely. She is clothed in dignity and elegance and sophistication and ooh, that ASMR, baby. Yes, she's gorgeous. I highly recommend you go out and grab one of these. You need it. You need it in your life, baby. Look at her. You need her. Oh, goodness. And I can't wait to set her up. And I promise you guys, a full flip through before I start filling her in is coming after I get her set up. I really appreciate you guys coming and watching this video with me while I unbox this gorgeous, gorgeous specimen. She is gorgeous. Thank you again, Viv. I really do appreciate this. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go check out Notiq's website and Instagram. Info down here or down here. And the information will also be in the description box below. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.